Hello guys, it is soup season and I cannot wait to share with you guys how I make my delicious butternut squash and sausage tortellini soup. Here are my ingredients. I have some chicken broth, butternut squash, grated parmesan, some fire roasted diced tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, onion, garlic, tomato paste, mild sausage, and of course my 5 cheese tortellini that I'll be using for the recipe. Without further ado guys, let's get cooking. Over a medium heat in a large pot, add 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. And we're going to cook this for about 8 to 9 minutes. After 8 minutes, this is how my sausage is looking. Now go in with your minced garlic. Add 1 diced onion and 10 ounces of butternut squash. Since there's not much oil in here, I'm going in with a little bit of oil. Give that a good stir, and we're going to cook this until the onions are translucent and the butternut squash are softened. So about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. My butternut squash has softened. Now we're going in with a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give that a stir and cook for about a minute. After a minute, go in with your fire roasted diced tomatoes. Next, add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now that it is boiling, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of simmering, this is how it's looking. Now go in with 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. After adding in your heavy whipping cream, add your spinach and 12 ounces of tortellini. After adding in your tortellini, go in with some black pepper and some grated parmesan cheese. Give it a stir. And the tortellini does not take long to cook, so I'm going to allow this to simmer for like 5 minutes. So my butternut squash and sausage tortellini soup is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I cannot wait to enjoy this soup. It is so comforting to just have a bowl of soup when it's cold outside. Let me know where you're from in the comments below, and if you're going to try this recipe, because I cannot wait to enjoy this right now. That is so good. You just cannot go wrong with this recipe. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.